What's going on, good people? It's Terrence Hill with Southern Gentleman's Table TV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe to the page. All right, today we are going to do a cinnamon roll bundt cake. So let's get into it. All right. So first thing first, I got my oven on 350. All right, got it preheated to 350. I have my bundt cake pan. I have my cake release in here, and so I've done. If you go and check the videos, I have a video for cake release. This is by far the best cake release that you can ever have. Cakes never stick, okay? All right, so first things first, I'm going to put in, I got a cup of butter, and I got some of that European butter. European butter is gonna be so much better because it's more fat content. Trust me when I tell you, it's gonna make your cakes amazing. So I got the cup of butter and I got 2 cups of granulated sugar, all right? So we're gonna cream those together. This is called the creaming method, okay? So we're gonna get that all incorporated till it's nice and fluffy, okay? It's getting there. You can also tell the difference too. That European butter is a darker yellow color. You can see that fat content in there. It's pretty amazing. All right. Next thing that I'm gonna do, looks good. I'm gonna slow that down, and I'm gonna add in 4 eggs. So I'm gonna add in 1 egg at a time. Okay. Oh yeah, there we go. So we got that mixing. I got a tablespoon of vanilla, actually a teaspoon of vanilla, okay? Next thing, I'm gonna stop this real quick, and I'm gonna look at that. Nice. So now I'm getting ready. I got a cup of sour cream. Sour cream is gonna give that cake some stream. Oh yeah. It's coming together. Next thing I'm adding in, I got a 1/4 cup of milk, whole milk. All right. Last but not least, in this bowl, what I have here, I have 2½ cups of my all-purpose flour. I have my baking soda and baking powder, excuse me. And I have my salt, okay? And again, I'm gonna make sure that you have the recipe in there. So we're gonna add that in. Let's slow that down a little bit. And we're gonna add this in a little bit at a time. Nice. It's coming together. Nothing like a homemade cake. Don't get me wrong, you can do some really good stuff with some box cakes, and I'll have some recipes to show you with that too, but this is gonna be a homemade one. All right, I'm just gonna turn that off. Keep this from splattering everywhere. I'm gonna add in another. Make sure you wipe down the sides. Okay. Let's incorporate this. Oh yeah, here we go. It's getting there now. All right, last but not least, let's go ahead and add in that last little bit of my dry mix. All right, and then take my rubber spatula, just make sure I get them sides down, make sure everything is incorporated, okay? And here we go. Let's get the last mixer. Just want to make sure all that flour and everything is incorporated nicely. All right. We're gonna take that. We're just gonna knock this down here. Get all that together. All right. There we go. It's all ready to go. All right, so now I got my bundt cake pan. But first, like I said, it's a cinnamon roll bundt cake. So in this cup right here, I have a cup of brown sugar. I got a tablespoon of cinnamon, and I got 2 tablespoons of melted brown sugar. All right. So the first thing we're gonna do is, as you see my pan here. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take half of my batter. I'm not gonna do it all. I'm gonna take half. I'm gonna put this here. Now, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna take that cinnamon and we're gonna put that all around in here. Now, what we're gonna do with this, we're gonna take our knife and just kind of stir that around, okay? Kind of swirl that in there, okay? This is what's gonna make it. We're gonna come right back on here. And we're going to layer the other half of this cake mix right on top of that. All right. I'm going to kind of shake that around. All right, just like that. We're gonna put this in the oven for 55 to 65 minutes or till a toothpicks come through clean, all right? So when we come back, let's see what we got going on, all right? All right, let's get ready to take this out. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, look at that. So now what we're gonna do is, we're gonna let that sit for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes and let it cool. Then we're gonna invert it onto our cooling rack. And when we're doing that, we're gonna make the icing. The glaze is gonna go over the top, right? So when we come back, we'll finish all that up. All right, so listen, look at there. We got that bad boy inverted. It looks really good. So now, I'm going to mix up the glaze. So here, I have 2 cups of powdered sugar. I have 4 tablespoons of melted butter. All right. I got 4 tablespoons of milk and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. All right. So we're gonna mix that up good. Let that come together. Oh yeah. If you wanted to, you could add a little liqueur to this. You can add some bourbon or vodka or something if you want. Look at that. And now I'm going to look at that. Oh yeah. Across that bad boy. Yeah, look at that. That's good. Oh yeah. That looks good. We're gonna give it a couple of minutes. We're gonna come back, we're gonna slice it. Let's see what it tastes like. All right, guys, so listen, it's time for us to, let's try to dig into this bad boy, okay? I'm gonna take me a nice cut there. Oh, that's moist, look at that. I'm gonna just take this piece right here. And look at that, you can kind of, you see the little cinnamon swirl in there. It's probably going all the way out throughout. Let's taste it. Oh man, the cake is soft, moist. Let's see, let's take a bite of that. Still a little warm, let's see. That tastes like a cinnamon roll. That's really good. You guys, you make it, please comment, let me know how it turned out for you. Again, please like, subscribe to the page. We'll see you in the next video.